Today, I'll show you how to set phone call goals in Google Ads. Phone call goals help Google Ads understand that phone calls are valuable actions for your business. This is useful if you want to optimize campaigns for leads, bookings, consultations, quotes, or customer inquiries. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. From the left menu, click Goals. Now open Conversions, then click Summary. Click Create Conversion Action. Google's setup guide says to choose conversions from phone calls when setting up phone call conversions. Support.google.com. Now choose the type of phone call goal you want to track. Select Calls from Ads if you want to count people who call directly from your call assets or call-focused ads. Select calls to a phone number on your website if users click your ad first, visit your website, and then call the number shown there. Next, name the conversion. For example, use phone call lead. Now choose a conversion category, such as lead. Set a call length that counts as a real conversion. For example, if a serious lead usually takes at least 60 seconds, set the minimum call length to 60 seconds. Then choose the conversion value. You can use the same value for every call, or choose not to assign a value if you are not sure yet. Now set the count option. For leads, 1 is usually a good choice because one customer calling multiple times should often count as 1 lead. If you are tracking calls from your website, Google may give you a tag or phone snippet to install. Google uses forwarding numbers and call links to measure qualified calls. Support.google.com. Install the tag directly on your website or add it through Google Tag Manager. Finally, save the conversion goal and test it. Once calls start coming in, check your Google Ads conversion reports. And that's it. You've successfully set up phone call goals in Google Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.